Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Portugal has long been a favored destination for immigrants, thanks to its welcoming immigration policies, quality of life, and attractive visa programs. However, in recent months, there have been growing concerns about possible changes in Portugal's immigration laws, particularly related to deportations and tightening regulations. As the country faces pressures from rising immigration rates, economic challenges, and shifts in political sentiment, these new policies have sparked debates both within Portugal and internationally. The historical context of Portugal's immigration policy. Portugal has historically been known for its open immigration policies. The country actively encouraged immigration through initiatives like the Golden Visa program, which allowed non-EU citizens to gain residency by investing in property or businesses in Portugal. This program, launched in 2012, brought in a significant amount of foreign investment and helped boost the real estate sector. Additionally, Portugal has also offered pathways to residency for individuals from former Portuguese colonies, making it easier for people from countries such as Brazil, Angola, and Mozambique to settle in Portugal. In recent years, Portugal's liberal immigration policies have also attracted digital nomads, retirees, and expatriates seeking a higher quality of life in Europe. However, the increased influx of immigrants has also led to challenges in housing availability, pressure on social services, and concerns about the integration of foreign workers. New immigration updates and deportation fears. As of 2023, Portugal has started signaling a shift in its approach to immigration, raising questions about deportations and stricter immigration rules. While there hasn't been an outright policy focused solely on mass deportations, several changes suggest the government is taking a more stringent approach to certain aspects of immigration. Golden Visa program revisions. One of the most significant changes in Portugal's immigration policy is the revision of the Golden Visa program. In 2023, the Portuguese government announced plans to phase out this program due to concerns over rising real estate prices, housing shortages, and an increasing divide between locals and wealthy foreign investors. This move could impact thousands of individuals who were planning to use this visa as a pathway to residency. While these changes don't directly imply deportations, they signal the government's intention to prioritize local housing needs and slow down certain forms of immigration. Tightening of work visa and residency rules. There have been reports of Portugal tightening work visa and residency rules, particularly for those without stable employment or those perceived to be exploiting loopholes in the system. This includes digital nomads who have settled in Portugal but may not meet certain income or tax requirements. In some cases, individuals who fail to renew their visas or fail to meet residency criteria might face deportation or be asked to leave the country. Enforcement of illegal immigration policies. Another area where concerns about deportations have risen is the enforcement of illegal immigration policies. Portugal, like other EU countries, is bound by EU regulations on illegal immigration. As the number of undocumented immigrants rises, there are concerns that deportations could become more frequent. The government has emphasized the need for better border control and cooperation with EU partners to manage migration more effectively. Reasons behind the shift. Several factors have contributed to Portugal's tightening stance on immigration: housing crisis, rising property prices and rental costs in cities like Lisbon and Porto have led to a growing housing crisis. Locals are increasingly being priced out of urban centers, and many blame the influx of wealthy immigrants, especially those benefiting from the Golden Visa program, for the surge in property demand. This has fueled public discontent, prompting the government to rethink its immigration strategies. Economic pressures. Portugal's economy, though stable, faces challenges such as inflation, unemployment, and income inequality. There is a growing sentiment that immigration needs to be more controlled to protect the local job market and prevent exploitation of low-wage foreign workers. Political influence. Across Europe, right-wing political parties have gained ground by advocating for stricter immigration controls. While Portugal has traditionally maintained a more liberal stance, it is not immune to these political currents. Growing public concerns over immigration have pushed the government to adopt a more cautious approach. Deportation, a growing concern? Although deportation has not become a widespread practice in Portugal, there are indications that the government is preparing to enforce stricter immigration rules. Immigrants who do not comply with visa requirements, overstay their visas, or fail to meet residency standards may face deportation. However, this is generally seen as a last resort. Portugal's legal framework emphasizes humane and fair treatment of immigrants, and the government continues to work closely with NGOs and international organizations to ensure that the rights of immigrants are protected. For now, deportation efforts in Portugal appear to focus on individuals who are undocumented, involved in criminal activities, or not meeting the requirements of their visas. However, as new immigration laws and updates are implemented, the scope of deportation could expand to include more individuals who fall out of compliance with Portugal's evolving policies. Conclusion: Portugal's recent changes to its immigration policies reflect broader challenges faced by many European countries. The government's decision to revise programs like the Golden Visa and enforce stricter residency and work visa regulations indicates a shift toward a more controlled approach to immigration. While fears of mass deportation are largely speculative, there is a growing concern that individuals who do not comply with the new regulations could face deportation or be asked to leave the country. Moving forward, the challenge for Portugal will be to balance the need for immigration control with its reputation as an open and welcoming country. The government's ability to manage this transition will be critical in maintaining both social cohesion and economic stability. Thank you for watching this video.